So now we have a good sense of how many additional people we need in which locations and for which roles. So let's see what are some of the further insights that you can draw from this data. So what I've done over here is a simple conditional formatting to show which are the areas where I need to do a significant number of hiring. So here in India, you can see that I need to hire a large number of developers, while in Mexico, I have a problem of additional developers. And here are some of the things that can influence your future strategy and even perhaps change the way you work. Knowing this number well in advance can help you decide whether as an organization you would rather get rid of these people and hire other consultants in other locations, or perhaps you might decide that a project could outsource some of its work to this other location in order to make sure that you have lower hiring costs as well as an overall better and more positive culture. So these small data points can help you decide the right strategy and overall help you influence decision making and make the right and optimum workforce planning strategy for your organization. And I hope this project was a good demonstration for you to understand how data plays a vital role in creating a plan which is actually actionable on the ground. Because it's all very easy to say that I need 10% more people in my organization, while actually you realize that it's not as simple as that. This number needs to be further segmented based upon which location we are in, what new programs are being launched, what are our future expansion plans, and even whether some programs are being ramped down. So seeing all of this data together can help you have a lot more insight into the plans for your future, whether they are feasible, and what efforts you need to make today to be prepared for achieving your goal and vision 1 year down the line, 3 years down the line, and even 10 years down the line. I do encourage you to spend time with this data yourself and then see what further insights can be drawn from this data.